Alright, so I'm really going to need to get to the bottom of this. Can a Notion dashboard really help you grow on Twitter? We're going to find out. We're going to learn how you can grow on Twitter using this amazing Notion dashboard. Now, if this is your first time tuning in, this is the Notion Plaza YouTube channel. You can find us at notionplaza.com and scroll through, find the templates that work for you. Now, I understand that not everybody wants to grow on Twitter. I mean, let's face it, there's tons of other social media channels, right? But if you are on Twitter and you're looking to grow, then this is a great resource for you. Is my boy bringing the receipts? We are going to find out and see if this works. So the way we're going to find this, if you just go to notionplaza.com, www.notionplaza.com, and from there you'll see the main page is going to take you into the marketplace. There's going to be all kinds of different templates. Make sure you take some time and scroll through those. You can take a look at it. The best way for us to find the template I'm looking for today is you go to the personal templates. So once you're in the main page, you're just going to scroll down and we are going to look for the template that says the hardest part, 0 to 1,000 followers on Twitter. So we're gonna bring up, and right away you can see that this template is on sale. It gives you the sale price here is $20 for you to download this. You would click on here and buy it. You see the creator is Pascal. Now I encourage anybody, anytime that you're looking for a Notion template or a dashboard, you want to make sure there's receipts. You want to make sure it's credible. So the first thing you're going to investigate is, who is this creator Pascal? Now, out of full disclosure, Pascal is one of the founders of Notion Plaza, but we're going to keep all of our reviews non-biased here, make sure that we dive in and give you an honest review of it. These are all the different templates that he created, and you can see he's very active in building these particular templates and dashboards. You also want to take a look. So this is Twitter, right? Is my boy on Twitter? Because if he's not on Twitter, if he doesn't have a following, then what good is it? So we're going to take a look. Here he is on Twitter. It is I am Pascal. You can see right away 3,570 followers at the time of this video. That's well past the 1,000 that he is promising. So my man is bringing the receipts. Pascal is bringing the receipts. We also have social proof, and the reason why I thought about doing this particular video on this template is because we have social proof by this guy here who posted this on Twitter, who actually downloaded this template, and he is using it and he finds it very valuable. So let's go ahead and run through this quickly. Let's see what this template has to offer for you. So when you download the template into your Notion, you're going to open it up. So this is what you get. Now, this surprised me when I opened up because I'm thinking, this is it. This does not look like it gives you a whole lot of stuff, but I promise you, when you dive into it, this stuff is golden. So right away, I like the way that he breaks this down. This is a nice, clean, simple interface, and he's going to break you down on the journey. It's going to be between 1 to 100, 1 to 500, 500 to 1,000, and then some bonus resources. Now, we'll get into the bonus resources later because those are gold. Those resources alone are well worth more than the $20 that you're going to pay for this. Now, I like when you open this up here, he's going to give you a step-by-step process. So let's just go ahead and we're going to open up all of these and see what we're looking at here. So he takes you on the journey and he gives you step-by-step, steps 1 through 9. Follow the steps in chronological order. Now, again, it's looking pretty simple. I'm thinking to myself, this is kind of light. I don't know if my boy's delivering on this, but right away when you open up step 1, profile, bio, and setup. This is well thought out. There are examples. He tells you how to set up your profile. Your profile picture gives you an example of his, and we already saw that on his Twitter account. He tells you about the cover photo, how to utilize the bio links. So this is some golden stuff here. This stuff here took me months to figure out. Just months to figure this out on my own when I was setting mine up. And I don't even think mine is that great yet. I have about 70 followers at the time of this video, so I'm excited to dig in and see what this is going to do for me and talk to you about how you pin your tweets. So he goes on, there's a lot of stuff here in this particular template. Just follow along the steps. So step number 2 is content creation and ideation. So he's going to tell you what to tweet about, how often you should tweet, some framework for creating ideas, how to write content correctly. So right away, I'm already seeing the value. I mean, the value is here. If you don't see the value, I don't know what you're doing. Engaging and socializing is step 3. He's going to talk about why you should engage in social media. And I get it. It may not be Twitter that you're on, but most of us have some type of social media presence. If you are a creator, if you're Anybody looking to build a business, a solopreneur, what have you, a side hustler, you have to have some type of social media presence. That's how you're reaching people today. So he goes over a little bit of that, value of networking. This is some good stuff. You can see there's a lot of content on here. He also gets into the Twitter mindset as step number 4. Kind of talk to you about how you can kind of get in that right mindset on how to win on Twitter. First of all, let's be real. Make sure that you dedicate the appropriate amount of time. It does take some time to do it. You have to set aside that time, but you also have to understand that you can't spend too much time. I mean, we all have lives, so if you can spend too much time, you're going to get burnt out. He talks about that. He talks about concern for imposter syndrome that a lot of us have when we're starting out. And then once you do that, you should start building a following, right? Those things within itself should get you somewhere between 50 to 100 followers, and then you need to start thinking about what's next. Step number 5, he talks about Twitter automation, and he'll give you some ideas on how to automate your Twitter. Now, right here, this here within itself, this is hours of research to find these 4 different companies that can help you with automating your Twitter task. He breaks it down what you can do on each of those, whether they're paid or they're free. Talks about evergreen content, how to auto your DMs and your retweets, guys. Some good stuff here. So this is some good media stuff, Patrick. I like where you're going with this. This is nice and easy to follow along. He talks about increasing content quality as step number 6. And look, again, he's giving you the receipts. He's giving you screenshots and examples of what's worked for him. He talks about the analytics, what to look for, how to decide if it's good or not. And again, examples, receipts. Guys, this, is well thought out, well laid out, how to learn from others. Okay, moving on to step number 7, expanding your social network. Again, you're on the network to be social. You want to expand. You want to find some friends, other people that you can collab with, people that are going to help you with your business. So once you're at that mark where you have at least 500 followers, you're looking to break that 500 to 1,000 followers, then you need to start digging in a little bit deeper and understanding some different aspects about Twitter. He does go into some description about the Twitter algorithm. Now, again, here, this is saving you hours of time. I don't know how much time I spent trying to figure out the algorithm and watching video after video after video to try to figure this out, after video after video after video. Here it is. It's right here for you guys. Just follow the steps. He'll break that down. He'll give you some hacks on some do's and don'ts. And then he'll also tell you how to reuse content and rewrite content so that you're not having to create new stuff all the time, but you could repurpose your stuff. Reuse it, get some ideas from others and use it. And there is a section here on Twitter Threads, which is an area that I'm looking to dive into. So I'm excited to get in here and understand what the threads are, why you should use them. And then from there, you should have a good following and you'll be ready to really step your game up to the next level. So that alone is worth more than the $20 because you're looking at anywhere between, I would say, between 25 to 50 hours of research, maybe even hundreds of hours if you're somebody like me that likes to go down all these rabbit holes and stuff, right? But it doesn't stop there. We haven't even gotten to the best part yet because we mentioned this is a step-by-step process. He broke it down, steps 1 through 8 for you. Follow along. You don't even have to worry about creating your own checklist. You know why? Because my boy already got it for you. Look, right here in the bonus resources, the Twitter growth checklist. Here it is. Follow these steps. If you follow what he tells you, make sure you mark these check boxes. Don't move on until you check the box. And don't just check the box for the sake of checking the box. Make sure you complete the task, check the box, and move on. By the time you finish this checklist, you're going to be destined for success on Twitter. Once you see that this is, frame it on your wall, do something with it. You should be excited because you're on your way to Twitter success. But there's more. Next thing he has for you is already a 30-day Twitter plan. So you don't even have to make your own journal. This is already set up for you for the first 30 days. It doesn't get any easier than that. You just click on here, open it up, and you're going to map out what you're going to set up each day, right? Set up or revamp your profile completely according to chapter 1. Day number 2 is going to be to set up an automation system if you don't have one already. You can't go wrong with the checklist, guys. Follow along. Follow along. Just hit on day 1. It'll tell you what you need to do. Go back to the resources and figure it out. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than that, guys. I don't know what to tell you. If you don't follow the checklist, I don't know what to tell you. It doesn't get any easier than that. All right, so let's go on and see what's next. So right here, the top 9 tweets swipe file. Let's take a look at what this is. Oh my. Oh my man got the receipts. Look at this. My man has the look at this. My man has the receipts. He's going to give you 9 of his top tweets. So not only does he show you what his tweet was, but he's breaking down the metrics for you. He's giving you he's giving you facts, impressions, engagements, engagement rate. Why does it work? This is golden. This here is golden. This is a lot of thought. This is a lot of effort. I want to give a shout out to Pasquio on this one. This alone is more than $20 worth of value. This is packing a punch. To me, this is blowing my mind right now. Okay, so why does this work? This is interesting. Take a look at some of these tweets that he did, and he's breaking down his engagement rate, his engagements, his number of impressions. Look here, a 5.6 engagement rate on this one, a 5.4% on this one. Why it worked for him. Here, 9.1% engagement on this particular tweet here. Why does it work? He's telling you what to do. You don't have to reinvent the wheel, guys. Just do it. Just follow along. Do this call to action and see how it works for you. This is some good stuff here. All right, so this is the last thing we're going to talk about here. This is the 50 Twitter resources. Now, there's a lot of people that have a lot of resource guides. I have my own resource guides on different things, but the way that this is broken down is nice and easy. It gives you the resource, and it gives you the link to the resource, and it's presented in a way that makes sense. It's easy to follow along. He gives you a description of what it is. Now, you're not going to use all these resources. Pick and choose which ones are going to work for you and your workflow. But you go through this. This is dozens of hours of research to find out all this stuff. It's right here for you guys. Don't waste your time trying to go down rabbit holes. Just take a look at these. Take a look at the description, what it is. If it's something that sparks your interest, click on the link and check it out. You can't go wrong with this. So this template, this is definitely going to be a thumbs up. This is way worth the $20 value that he is promising, guys. Check out the hardest part, 0 to 1,000 Twitter followers from my boy Pascal. If this is your first time on the channel, if you enjoyed this content, please do me a favor, hit that thumbs up. Let us know that you liked the video so that YouTube knows to feed this to other people so they can gain value. And if you're a Notion creator and you want us to feature some of your templates, make sure you hit us up. We'll be excited to hear from you. The link will be down below. And if you are a part of this community, whether you're a creator or somebody who's using Notion, go ahead and subscribe to this channel because we are going to be bringing you some more templates, dashboards, creator stories. You never know what we're going to come up with next. There's so much in store for you with the Notion Plaza YouTube channel. I'm excited to bring it to you. I hope that you stay with us. It's been a pleasure sharing this. Make sure you check us out on Twitter at Notion Plaza. Check out our boy Pasquio at I Am Pascal. My name is Paul, and I will see you guys the next time. Take care.